backlines, and while they have denied the line of fire to Craddock Esports, RIP MiZo will have full freedom in the fight against Hyderabad Hydras moving forward.
Oh, this is such a difficult zone rotation for the Hydras. They're being stuck down with their vehicles at the moment, and every blast that comes through, every nade is giving them so much trouble. Look at that HP. They're being completely smashed in by two different teams here, because Craddock and RIP have clearly a friendship formed. They say, you know what, we're going to take out the Hydras first and then focus on each other, as this is the battle of the top three, ladies and gentlemen. The top three of the group today were these three teams as we entered the day.
Yeah, and all of them fighting it out for this chicken dinner on Miramar. 2 knocks secured by RIP MiZo. They're looking for the third, and Moksh, his position is compromised as well. The nade dishes out a lot of damage. He's down to around 20 HP. A shabby push from Hyderabad Hydras, and they get punished. But after this, RIP MiZo, they have to reset, refocus on Craddock, but it's Addy from the backlines who secures the opening knock. The numbers advantage that they were able to protect from the start of the game till now can finally pay off for the side of RIP MiZo. But they have to be extremely quick with the revives. Flick Whiteley being brought back into the game. But Craddock, their formation now, this is quite interesting. They've kept retreat in the backlines close to the shack. And now he's finally forced to move out just because the blue zone is headed his way. Oh, if he can catch Moksh off guard, it just opens the floodgates for the side of RIP. They will know it's a 4v3 in their favor.
He's been left to survive by himself for all this while. Now retreat might be in trouble here. He knows he's around that corner. Retreat needs to be a little careful. Does drop down another smoke on the other end. Craddock taking pressure from RIP MiZo. Thor's gone down. Finishes are low on either side, but it's going to be RIP MiZo who have the advantage so far. Addy keeping things alive. It's going to be the end. It's going to be the one and last man standing. Moksh, 1 versus 3. Almost as 4 actually as it happens. Never mind, it's all and one single nade, and it's going to take care of that. Ladies and gentlemen, the chicken dinner going to RIP MiZo as they make a comeback.